If you came across this video today, I do not believe in coincidences, and I feel that this will find the exact person who needs to hear this. So I was just driving and I was thinking about my life and everything I've been through and everything I've accomplished in just a few short years. And now more than ever, I know for a fact that I was meant to help people in the same shoes that I was 11 years ago, down and out, thinking that there was nothing that I could do to improve my life from where I had taken it. If you did not know, I am 11 years sober, and I've been through a lot in my life, and now I live on a tiny little farm with chickens, and in just, I think it's been about 4 years now, I went from a single wide trailer to a beautiful house. We still own the house, and it was just too small. My family grew very fast, and in that time, I then bought our dream home on a tiny little farm for my kids. We have, like I said, chickens and space to run, and it's a life that I never ever in a million years thought that I could have. And when I learned about more about my spirituality and just how powerful that we all, each individually are. We're all born with immense power that can't even be explained. But through our childhood and many, many different things, we get beaten down, and we are taught that we have to live a certain way to get what we want. And we have to do this, and we have to do that, and we have to work a 9 to 5 just to scrape by. And I want each and every single one of you to know just how immensely powerful you are, which is why I actually have a free 5-day experience coming up. I am opening up a mentorship. So I'll have that link down below for you guys, but I'm only taking 50 women along. And so if you want to get in on that, I want you guys to fill out this questionnaire, because I really want to tailor it to the people who need it the most. And I am just really passionate about it. So I want it to be as specific as possible. We all have different needs. We all have different wants. We all have different things that we struggle with on a daily basis, right? And that's not to say that I'm perfect, because I'm far from perfect. Hopefully you guys follow me. I'm doing chicken duties, and I was like, you know what? Let me chat with them while I do chicken duties. But I'm really excited about this, because I know that this is what I was put on this earth to do. I was meant to help people in the same shoes that I was in, down and out, thinking that there was nothing I could do to improve my life. And it's really insane when you learn just how powerful you truly are, and just how beautiful the mind, body, and soul is. And when you learn to align all of those things, the possibilities are infinite. You can still hear me because I have my microphone on, but I can't hold the camera and fill up the chicken's water. But when I was living in the camper, I didn't think that I could ever improve that. I thought I would be stuck there forever. And then my husband and I made a choice to save and do what we needed to do, because we got pregnant with our first daughter, which, if you did not know, My husband and I are 24 years apart. He's 24 years older than me. And we were both told separately, hopefully you can still hear me, but we were both told separately that we could not even have children. And that's kind of when I started to realize just how powerful that I was, because neither one of us took that for an answer. Now, it did take some time. It took about 8 months, but we did it. We got pregnant with our first daughter, and now I'm pregnant with our fourth. So it just goes to show that no matter what it is in life, you can have, be, and do whatever. It doesn't matter what you've done, what your past looks like, because at the end of the day, there is no past, there is no future. All we have is the right here and now. And so many of us get stuck in the past or in the future. And that keeps you stuck in a loop that nobody wants to be in. The only time you have is right now, and that is the present moment. And when you learn to tap into your power, you learn how to live in the moment. It's actually something called Wu Wei. I've been practicing this, and the things that happen when you practice Wu Wei, oh my God. If you guys want me to do a video about Wu Wei, just let me know down in the comments. But when you learn how to live in the present moment, when you learn to uplift yourself and to use your mind for good, and you learn how to transmute your energy no matter what the situation is, that's when things start to change. You ever notice how, let's just say you're driving. In fact, I want you guys to do this little exercise and save this video. Come back and let me know what happens, because your mind will be blown. You ever notice how you go to the grocery store and you're like, man, I never find a good parking spot. So you drive around and around and around, and you have to park all the way in the back because that's what you told yourself. But I want you to go to the grocery store, and before you get there, I want you to decide, I am going to find the best parking spot today. Do not question it. Do not think any more about it. Just be like, I'm going to find the best parking spot ever. And watch what happens. And I want you to come back and let me know what happens, because it's that easy. It is that easy. And I still struggle with worry and stuff like that on a daily basis. But I have this little thing I call flipping the switch. And when I notice myself worrying or going into the negative or anything like that, I flip the switch. Let's just say I'm worrying about a parking spot. Well, what if I don't find the best one? And I'm like, well, what if I do? What if I do? And boom, I find the best one. And it's just that simple, that easy. But when you have been taught that life is hard, when you've been conditioned, and we're conditioned in many different ways, by the way. We are conditioned with music, with TV shows, with the news, with so many different things. Your parents could be a huge, influence in your life, either positively or negatively. A lot of things stem from our childhood. And I want you to know you can rewrite that story as well. As crazy as that sounds, when I heard somebody say that you can rewrite your childhood story, I'm like, what is this person even talking about? Like, what happened, right? But it's all what's in your conscious mind, and it is all in what you believe. And the more you tell yourself a story, the more you believe it. So if you rewrite your story from childhood, things will change. Things you would never believe that would change will change. And this stuff goes really deep. If you're like new to all this mindset stuff, you're going to think this lady is absolutely batshit crazy. But I'm not crazy because I've practiced it myself. And here we are 11 years later, living my best life. I manifested anything you could ever think of. Weight loss, a new appearance, looking younger, a new house, many new houses, children, friends. I mean, you name it. I have manifested it with just believing that I could. And again, there's a lot more things that go into it. And there's a lot of tips and tricks that you can use because we all have, like I said, outside forces that sometimes have an effect on our energy. And there's tips and tricks and things that you can do to nip it in the bud and turn it around, which is why I am hosting this mentorship, because I've gotten so many questions. Melissa, how did you lose the weight? Melissa, how did you do that? Melissa, how did you grow on social media? Melissa, I just get so many questions, and I want to be able to help people on a larger scale, if that makes sense. And that's why I know, like, everything I've been through, everything that I've ever done on social media, all led me to where we're at right now. And 8/8 is when the mentorship opens up, but the free 5-day is coming. So make sure you get that questionnaire filled out like ASAP. But this is going to be huge, and this is going to be life-changing. And I cannot wait to see who comes out on the other side and what they do with the information that they're going to learn. Because we all have it in us. And I just want you guys to be able to tap into your infinite power that we all have and use it for whatever it is that you want. Money, relationships, social media success, a different job, a different person, like a specific person. There's so many different things that people desire and they want for their life. They just don't know how to take the steps to get there. And that's where I come in. So I hope this message found you today when you needed it most. Like I said, the link will be down below. If you made it this far, drop me a red heart in the comment section. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of uploading every day or at least every few days. And so here we are. I figured while I was doing chicken duties that I never ever thought that I would be doing. Like, I don't think you guys understand. It's been a dream of mine for a long time to live on a tiny little farm with nobody bugging us, where my kids could just run and learn and play and grow and not have to worry about HOA. And in our last neighborhood, oh my God, the HOA was just so not cool. You pay all this money just for somebody else to tell you what to do. And we had a lot of problems with them. And so I'm really grateful that we were able to make this big step to be able to buy this tiny little farm for my kids. They're so happy. My daughter has a bearded dragon, and it's even crazy for me to be here and to look at all I've done. Look at what me and my husband have done. But I'm living proof that me, little old me, who has no special college degrees. I did go to college, but I got pregnant. I didn't finish. I spent a lot of my adult life in prison. I have been through a lot of things in my life. I lost my mom at 22 years old. I was homeless for years and years, and there's just a lot that I've been through. And to see what I've done today, just by believing that I could, is why I know that I was put on this earth to help you do the same thing. And so anyway, now I'm just rambling. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you will click the link and fill out the info. It's hot out here. My pregnant butt needs to go get cooled off. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Love y'all.